Gasha Educational Complex, where dreams become reality. Today we are pleased to introduce you to the modern and advanced building of Gasha Educational Complex in Erbil, and to give you an insight into its contemporary approach to architectural and engineering, as well as the educational system and learning environment offered at Gasha. Gasha Educational Complex has been established on an extensive area and consists of 4 distinct floors. 3 floors of the building are dedicated to classrooms serving different educational stages, including kindergarten, primary, and secondary education. From grade 7 through grade 12, male and female students are taught separately, providing an environment designed to support their educational needs in an organized and appropriate manner. In addition, the school is equipped with specialized laboratories for physics, chemistry, biology, general science, computer science, and art, which are available for practical lessons across all educational stages. At Gasha, we believe that effective learning extends beyond theoretical instructions and become more meaningful through practical experience and hands-on learning. The architectural design of the building has been carefully developed to create a calm, comfortable, and inspiring atmosphere for students. From different areas of the building, students can enjoy beautiful views and a peaceful environment, benefiting from its elevated and attractive location. Another distinctive feature of Gasha Educational Complex is its 2 spacious and modern cafeteria, specifically designed to meet the nutritional needs of students. The cafeterias are supervised by a specialized doctor and nutrition expert, and meal plans are carefully prepared according to the age and nutritional requirements of the students. With Gasha, build a brighter future.